Today I have Motorola Edge 50 Neo and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. Start off opening Google Chrome application. In it, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose Settings, where we have our Google Password Manager, and there we can manage our Google passwords. We can click on our passwords which we have saved, but to manage it we need to have our lock screen on our smartphone. We can set it fast because I don't have it. And now after we enter our lock screen, we get connected to our password which our smartphone remember. In this part we can copy our email, copy our passwords using this first icon, or after we choose this ice icon, our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also share this password to someone using this icon, or edit all our smartphone remember by tap on edit, and now we can change something in our username, passwords, or in our note. But remember, when you change something, press save to save your changes. You can also delete all our smartphone remember by tap on delete and continue by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.